consider the following triangle. Based on the given information, what is the measure of the missing length C? Enter your answer as a number like this, 42. Okay, so this comes back to the Pythagorean theorem. Do we have a right triangle? Yes. Am I finding a missing side length? Yes. So then I have a squared plus b squared equals c squared, where c is the hypotenuse and a and b are the two remaining sides. They're trying to throw us here because this little guy is labeled as c, which is not the hypotenuse. Again, remember the hypotenuse is across from the 90-degree angle. So this is actually c when we're talking about our formula, the Pythagorean theorem formula. So keep that in mind. They're throwing us off here with this little label as C. So the remaining two sides are A and B. So this side length is A and this side length is B. They could be opposite. That's fine as long as C in our theorem formula is the hypotenuse. So little a is being represented by C. Little b, the distance of b, has a length of 12. So I'm going to substitute that as 12. And our hypotenuse has the length of 13. This is totally fine. So now we're going to jump over to our symbol lab. We had c squared plus 12 squared equals 13 squared. So again, I want you to understand the relationship in the formula. This will help support us through the algebra. So it says subtract 12 squared from both sides. Notice that we have c squared plus 12 squared minus 12 squared equals 13 squared minus 12 squared. And then it says to simplify, c squared equals 25. I'm not sure if it will. Why? Okay, so they're showing a missing step right here. This 13 squared minus 12 squared. They do not do equaling 1 squared, because 1 squared is 1 times 1. That is obviously not 25. So what did they do from here to here so that we are clear on this? Well, they took 13 and squared it, and that equals 169 minus 12 squared is 144. So then if you simplified 169 minus 144, that does come out to be 25. So then again, this says for x squared equals some function or number. Those solutions are x equals the square root of that function and negative square root of that function. So what does that mean? It means take square root of both sides. So c equals the square root of 25. C equals negative square root of 25. So in this, when we're talking about distance, can it be negative? No. So that means we're going to use the positive one. The square root of 25 is 5. So we have a distance of 5. And that's how you would use the Pythagorean theorem to answer this question.